Okay, so the first thing I am going through on this video is X, formerly Twitter. I tend to use the automatic sign up with Google. I choose my Google account. I create a handle, and Ledgerly is usually taken, so I use Ledgerly 3. And you can see I'm going through the categories. It also makes you follow an account before you finish signing up. I then went to profile. I edited my profile to include a bio, which I'm trying to keep uniform across these platforms, as well as then setting up my cover photo and profile photo. I just created these in 10 to 5 minutes using the free version of Canva. If you know any good design websites similar to Canva that are also free, please let me know. I would love to try them out. Just a clean pink, bubbly kind of personality I want to show for Ledgerly when I'm creating my digital ecosystem online. So there's X, all done. I then go and sign up for YouTube, or I make a YouTube account. I'm already signed in through Google, which makes it easier. I create a channel, make my handle Ledgerly 3 again, and I forgot to upload a picture here, but I go back and I do that again. So I customize my channel in the YouTube studio. I try to upload a banner image. It only accepts files that are 1024 by 576 pixels. I will have to go back and create a new design using Canva, or unless I find another program to use. Anyway, I go down, I upload my profile picture and show you my Facebook account that I created. The next platform I'm showing is TikTok. I sign up with my Google again. Just add my birthday and try and find a username. It won't let me update to Ledgerly because that's taken, obviously, so I do Ledgerly 3, and I decide I want a capital letter, but it doesn't like that either. Only lowercase letters in your name, username for signing up. Go to my profile and I upload my profile photo, change my name with a capital L for the nickname, update my bio again, basically describing what I'm doing, creating my brand, using the online tools and creating content online publicly. There we go, and I refresh a few times and show you that it's done. I then log into Reddit. Just got a Reddit account. I've done my profile photo. Next is Pinterest. I log in using Google sign up, add a birthday, and then it shows you like kind of categories again, like similar to X. You pick a few that you like and it curates a feed for you. This is mine. I then go to my profile, do the same thing, profile picture. Update my username to Ledgerly 3. That's it. I go back to my Google profile, I create a new document, and I list all the platforms I created. So that concludes today's video. I've just created the basic few social media accounts with Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, and Pinterest. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.